Let's paint this beautiful sunset sky in watercolors. Welcome to my channel, Jacinta_art. Let's paint the background skies using the wet on wet technique. So make 3/4 of the paper wet with a flat brush. Make sure there are no puddles formed. Let's prepare the washes for the painting using indigo blue and then peacock blue. In this set, the indigo blue is the darker shade of blue, so that will be the very first layer on the upper parts of the sky, followed by peacock blue. I'm going to go with a second layer of the same colors to make the skies darker. So again, indigo followed by peacock blue. Continue painting from the horizon line upward using a mixture of scarlet red and deep red, followed by yellow-orange, which is followed by Indian yellow. Blend the Indian yellow a little bit into the peacock blue. Gently move the brush towards the horizon line to blend the colors. I'm making the upper parts of the sky a bit more darker, so I'm adding another layer of indigo and then gently blend the colors with a clean damp brush. Allow the background to dry completely and then we'll start painting the foreground mountains. So let's prepare the washes using a Payne's Grey and Van Dyke Brown mixture along with a little bit of red. Use this mixture to draw the furthest mountain closer to the horizon line. For the next layer of mountains, add some more black to the same mixture and continue painting a second layer of mountains. Add some more black to the palette and paint the foreground completely with black. I'm shifting to a thin fine liner brush to draw the weeds. So again, load your brush with the same black color. Pull lines upwards, and at the end of every line, you will have to draw little oval shapes to show the weeds. You can add as many lines as you like. I'm adding some more lines from the bottom upward. And here is the completed painting. Do give this a try. If you are posting on Instagram, do not forget to tag me. My Instagram handle is Jacinta_art. Do follow and subscribe for more such watercolor paintings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.